Hey signers, we all mess up. Yes, me included. So how do you fix mistakes in an ASL conversation? I am going to give you practical tips to fix your ASL mess ups and keep the conversation flowing. So let's learn how to sign fixing mistakes. Mistakes come in all different forms. So let's cover how to fix them in these 3 ways. Fixing fingerspelling mistakes, when signing something wrong, and when you don't know the sign. First, fingerspelling. Fingerspelling mistakes happen all the time. It's a hard skill to learn, and many think fingerspelling fast is a badge of honor. This is not the case. Your goal is to fingerspell clearly, and if you make a mistake, don't make a huge deal about it. Many people go, fix it and move on. So when you do fingerspell something wrong, and you will, you are going to fingerspell, pause, wave no, and then fix it by starting from the beginning of the word. So this is what it might look like. Notice that I messed up on red oak. I did an S instead of an A. So I waved no, and then I picked it up from the beginning of the fingerspelled word. Red oak. Second, signing something wrong. Signing something wrong is just like saying the wrong word. We all do it, and when we notice it, we fix it. So what does this look like when you sign something wrong? Well, you're signing it wrong first, and then you wave no, and then you start from the beginning. It might look something like this. Notice I did my mom's name, but then I went, oh no, my dad's name. And did you see a slight emphasis where I did the wrong sign and I replaced it with the correct one that I wanted to do? I did. This way it's saying, hey, this was the mistake I made and this is how I fixed it. Third, when you don't know the sign. Are there times when you can't think of the right word? What do? You explain it. In ASL, you can do that or fingerspell. So what would this look like? When you don't know the sign, explain that you don't know it, and then fingerspell the word or support it with other signs so that way the person can help you by giving you the sign. For example, it might look something like this. What did you notice there? I said yesterday, see, and then I went, a bird that's big, America. And then I was giving you clues to give back to me and say, oh yes, eagle, right? Now, of course, you could have fingerspelled eagle, and then they could have given you the sign. Now that you've learned these ways to fix mistakes, see if you can catch it in a conversation. Here, Sarah and I have thrown in some of these exact mistakes. Did you catch them all? Awesome. Now that you know how to fix mistakes, go out and make them. Yes, when you keep on making mistakes, it shows that you are trying and growing. If you want to keep on growing your skills, Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our weekly content. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.